Hello guys, here we go again. Good morning Yuki. Have a great Saturday everyone. Welcome to our channel Just Bus Philippines. And now we're going out because me and Barry, we're thinking about the gazebo. And then we have a barbecue even though raining, but it's not so heavy rain, just light. But because Barry's children and Barry's parents, they will come over us our house, so we have a family little bit gathering. So now we're just thinking, or we buy online already and we're just to pick up in the shop. Thank you guys for watching us, our channel. Thank you for loving us, and we love you both, all of you guys. Stay tuned. We are a good family in our chat. It doesn't matter, lots of people watching our live stream, CCTV. It doesn't matter for us. As long as you are enjoy, we're okay. We are love each other, and we are the owner of the live stream. We try to make all our subscribers happy. So thank you so much. We really appreciate from the bottom of our heart. We are happy guys that you are here in our channel. Thank you so much. And to my niece Eds Babor Philippines, please subscribe to her. She's a wonderful woman. They are a nice family. So thank you. We are happy. It doesn't for me. Subscribers are leaving and back. Thank you. Here we go. It's different road. Very narrow. Yeah?
Steep this bit.
Yeah, be careful to drive because oh my god, look at this. It's like a bohol. Look at that. What a nice road here. All the trees, there are stick. Oh, look at that. I just mentioned our moderator. Thank you so much for watching our channel. The girls and Christy, hello. City Traveler, hello. And please subscribe also them their YouTube channel, and also the girls. And hello to Jancy. And hello to Klaus Itch. We love you. You are very nice moderator in our channel. And also EG, of course, EG Babor. Please subscribe to their channel. They have their own channel as well. Thank you. I love you.
Enough love.
Now we're going, what, in the right side?
I can see 10 feet direction here.
How many?
Well, you can hardly see anything here. It's such a bad junction.
Here. I think the 400 bus is coming.
Yeah,
No,
it is.
this the other one pang.
400 comes in.
No, this the other one. Southbound or southbound? There we go. Thank you for stay tuned our channel. I tried to get the video here and upload later. So we have to collect our gazebo. So Barry later he install because we have a barbecue later. Even rain, but it's not bad. It's not too bad. Cold. It's 13 degrees here at the moment. So we are waiting the sunshine. I hope it's coming. Coming out. Oh, look at that. That is the highway. Why is too far we collect this one?
It's the only one in the area.
Argus, we have Argus in the
No
town.
stock.
No stock over there?
No.
Where we bought that our 10 papang? What's that one? It's far away.
Oh,
We're gonna use that in Samal, in Mati. This street is Godstone. And that side they have lots of bar.
see the green flashing light?
Yeah, and this one is
It's doctor, it's green.
doctor car. This one, yeah. Why is coming there? Why is going there?
Someone needs a doctor urgently.
When you call the ambulance, did you pay?
No.
Oh, in America, when you call ambulance, you have to pay $300.
Do you?
Yes, if you call.
Insured.
No, those people not insured. But if you are insured, it's free. Yeah. Why I know, guys, a little bit about America? I've been in America in Hawaii. The girls, I've been in Connecticut last 2011. And city, I've been in Florida. We went to the Disney World. And I've been also in New York. New York, yes. Last 2011 was very nice place to go. Even just cold, but it's worth it. City traveler, I've been in Florida, Disney World. It's very huge world, Disney World. We take the barge, then across over there, the island. And Disney World. Connecticut, very nice place. Oh my God. Very nice place, Connecticut. In America. I stay longer in Hawaii for 7 years. Now we're going. Where are we going from? This is still Godstone?
Yes.
Ah, this is for Elsa. Oh yeah, Elsa area.
So,
Mm. Yeah, I have friends living here this area. It's a Filipino. She always inviting us if they have the birthday, and sometimes if we spend the Christmas here, yeah, she always inviting us this area. She living here. Expensive to live here, yeah, in UK.
yeah, yes it
No,
is.
it's cost of living, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. I asked to my son is a nurse, and I asked to him if he want to work here in UK, and he said he doesn't want to work outside the country. He loves to serve in his country, so I cannot force him. So he loves and enjoy work in the Philippines hospital in Davao City. He is a dialysis, what you call that pang?
Dialysis nurse.
Dialysis nurse. And he is a head nurse. He's the one, a trainer. Trainer?
Mm.
Yeah, trainer. He's very clever, but I'm sorry he doesn't want to work and outside the country. He loved to serve in his own country, Philippines. Oh, what we are now.
Speed limit on this road is 70 miles an hour.
Oh my God. So how much?
70.
70.
If you want to drive at 70, you can.
Oh my God.
I'm driving at 70 there.
In America, I heard, because in Hawaii,
55, I think.
it's 55. Yes, that's the highest, but the road in America is It's huge. I like the road. It's nice. Because in Hawaii, 55. That's it. I live in Hawaii and Mililani, Honolulu. It's nice, the weather there. It's like a Philippines. I've never seen snow there, cold. No. Lots of very nice beach over there, North Shore. Surfing people, they are playing there. Maybe one day we're going back there, me and Barry. Hello to Hawaii, Floor B. They're all my friends still there. Sol, Christy. I'm sure they're watching our YouTube channel. I got so many friends in Hawaii. Lots of Filipino. They're working in pineapple plantation. So far away, Papa.
2 miles to go.
Huh?
2 more miles.
Yeah, very far.
And now we have a crazy road to go up in a minute.
Here?
Going up that hill.
Hello. Just reading, just quick. Sorry guys if Bas did not smile because he concentrated to drive, because some of the driver here are crazy, so we have to be careful around here.
You need to put the front camera on now and look at
And now we and Summers. La, I think we passed down here. I remember here.
Oh, we've been here before.
Yeah.
I don't think you've been up this narrow road before.
Very narrow
This
here.
is crazy.
Yeah, very narrow here
road.
road.
Narrow before.
Here. Oh my God. So complex.
Up the hill.
Oh my God, this is up the hill. Is that alright? 18 minutes? I stop now? Or it's okay when we get there, yeah?
Okay.
When we get there, then I make another one. This is dangerous there, right? How much more in night time? Sus, my God. Very narrow. It's a big house. Oh,
Yeah, the big house is here.
lots of big house here.
Up a bit with your camera to film it down.
Like that. Oh, very big. Look at that. Oh, how many bedroom is that? Oh, the bus is coming here pang oh. But it's not Metro bus.
Don't know.
Yeah. Different company.
But then they filmed it off.
That one? Like that. Yeah.
Metrobus used to come here.
Before. What was the last time the bus coming here?
5:40. I've driven here before.
5:40?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember here. Now why they stop that?
Never made any money.
Ah, here. Why? I thought it's the council will paying in the company because of the some of the old people take the bus, you know,
Sounds a little bit now, basically.
like that. Huh?
Oh.
Yeah. Warlingham. Warlingham Tandoori. And now we turn around. It's cloudy. It's dark, the cloud.
It's in the mirror a little bit. Nearly there.
Nearly there. Alright guys, sorry guys if I cut the video, then I make another one.
It's inside Sainsbury's.
Inside.
Like the other one.
Alright guys, I'm sorry I gonna cut the video, and thank you so much for subscribers, and comment down below and click so that they can keep updating our video upload. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Thank you. Bye bye. I make another one.